I knew it would be cool. You were always by yourself in school. I approached you for us. You do not have to worry no more now. You have what you've been looking for. This is a Romeo. I fell in love.
Hi, Utlwanang.
Hi.
Another stunning lady in red. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you so much for the question. To us as a nation, diamonds are not just minerals. They represent a moment of rebirth. Our history books tell us that in the year 1966, when we attained independence, our nation was amongst the top 3 poorest countries in the world. But then, in the year 1967, as a miracle, diamonds were discovered in our nation. And since then, Botswana has been developed into an educated nation, a nation that empowers its citizens, regardless of their gender or age or race. And because of these same diamonds, we are moving forward to an even brighter future, an even brighter vision. Thank you.